Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video, I'd like to show you how I create this render. It's not exactly how to create it, but how to create this smile, because actually this is the original render. And I'd like to talk also about this shape and about the light, about the preset, and about this dress, like default dress. So I like to give you all links to get a render like that, actually. So first thing is the character. So this character is actually, let's see, we have here clothing, Genesis 8 female, then clothing, then let's see. This character is actually from Detroit or Detroit, I don't know, it's like a video game or a film, I don't know. Finally, we have here the character. So to get this character, we need to add first thing like basic Genesis 8 female. Okay. Let's change here to NVIDIA. Then let's come back to here to our character. So actually, after import this character to the studio, you get it with clothes. Okay, so clothes, Genesis 8 female, the clothing, then you get it here. Just you need to apply the, okay, so first select your character, then character, apply the, actually here, the character, like that, yeah. Then we choose here the skin. Let's choose the skin number 2. We have also skin number 1. Okay, let's choose the skin number 1. Okay, let's see. Number 1. Then we have the hair. But to create this render, we don't need this hair. Actually, this hair looks fake. I don't like it. We need to create a new camera. We use the new camera here. Sorry. Okay, so this is the new camera and let's fix it like that. So I use like a simple pose. I select my character and go to poses, like a simple pose, something like that. Okay, here we have it. Nice. Okay, so I'll put link in description if you like to get this character. So now we have the hair. Let's see, hair. So this hair is called OOT Layered Spring Style Hair. And I put a link in description if you like to get it from the Daz Studio store. Just apply it. Okay, nice. Now we need to select the hair and change. Here we have some options with this hair, the preset hair, make it like that. Okay, so we go to environment, we change the background to black color. So now I'd like to show you the dress. It's like really sexy, attractive dress. I like it. So we go to clothes and we have it here. I put link description for the dress if you like it. Just we add here dress. Then I delete this basic clothes. So this is our character. Okay, nice. We have here the dress. So now I'd like to, let's see. So now we have to add the light. So as always, if you like to get my light or my shapes, also presets, we have also like oily skin, some, okay, protects. You can get it from the link in the description on my ArtStation store. So I'd like to show you something here. So select the character, we go to Genesis 8 female A, oily skin. Just I'd like to show you this oily skin. You can just select like number 5 or number 6, just to make it like oily. I don't know if you can see here the option. Sorry. So every time you need to select the character first. Let's make it like 5. So to see clearly the option, we need to make shadow for our character. This is why I create this light, and so let's apply it. So when apply the light, we get here like some directions, of course. So we can see like shaping for the shape of our character. Also, just here we need to add a new point light to give more shadow for the character, just like that, and like make it pop. So now we can see clearly what I like to say exactly. So this shadow here in her face or in her breast, this is the secret. This is how to get like the look. Just here, just you can change the directions now. I think 60 is great. Okay, so last thing here, we need to, if you like, so you can change the shape. Here we have some shapes you can get from link description also. So let's change the shape, B for example, or D. For example, D, I think D is good. And finally, just you need to simulate. So simulate to get the look. So just click simulate. Okay, so for me, I prefer this shape. Okay, it's look more attractive for me. So you can just select the character again and like, delete this shape, so no shape. But I don't know, it's not look attractive. Like that's more attractive for me. So okay, so here you can compact your light and change the direction to give more look. And I think 660 is good. Okay, so this is the render. Actually, it's like so easy. And now we have to just render, click render. Then I like to show you how to create the smile and make it more realistic. Okay, so you can see here the render and the render after editing or after apply the preset. You can enjoy my presets from the link in the description. Okay, so now I'd like to show you the trick to get this smile. So actually it's like so easy. You just need to use the application called FaceApp. It's like FaceApp is really famous. And I'd like to show you how to do that. As you can see here, just select the picture, then go to smile and select the smile, then select the glass and we have it. It's easy. Okay, so finally, I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to comment if you have any comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, please, like, and enjoy my products, enjoy rendering. See you in the next video. Ciao.